most important part of my restaurant is the cleanliness, the friendliness, and the warm feeling you get when you walk in the door. And then you can look at my museum, mostly dedicated to Chicago Bears and Chicago Cubs, because those are the two greatest teams in the world right now, followed by great food that you can look at while you're viewing the museum. Everything we make is fresh made to order. Nothing sits, nothing frozen, and nothing but the best food you could ever eat. Freshly made every day in the store, never frozen, all day long.